matemo golo pach jopiny e weche madito mahinyo piny Kenya. Kolose boma ma Kisumo, Wanga wacho ni twak mane Jalup Jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua obedo godo nyore wang' jowi mar Citizen TV ne owinjo bed mamulo weche mag pek mar ngima kaachiel kod weche mamulo ngima jo Kenya moriwo nyaka chochni mantiere e sekta mar somo. Jaod bura ma Kisumu West Rosa Buyu bende mane nitiere kod Wanga nokwedo Jalup Jatend piny kokwayo jotelo mondo mi oti tijgi kendo bed ranyisi mariwo wi oganda jo Kenya duto kanyakla.
The deputy president, the sooner he understands that he is the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, not the deputy president of a certain region. I would like to hear the deputy president speaking about the problems that our fishermen are facing in Lake Victoria with our neighbors, about the problems at the coast or in Western with sugarcane farmers. Not just speaking about a certain region. And this is not the time to look for kingpins, to seek kingpinship. This is the time for national leaders to come together to resolve the issues that are facing Kenyans.
Once he took the oath as the deputy president of this country, ceases to be a man who can only converse to people in his vernacular. His vernacular now is for his village when he's in the village. But when he's talking to people, for example, at Marikiti, where there are all tribes, 42 tribes involved in the business at Marikiti, he should not then break on into vernacular and say that, after all, we all knew that he came from that part of Kenya. He is speaking to Kenyans, and he should